Hello everyone, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in Kitchener, Ontario, and this is actually a Canadian Tire gas station, and they have a Simonized car wash. And no, I'm not getting a self-serve wash. I'm not doing that today. They just have a few self-serve bays. At the end of these, there's a Simonized touchless car wash, and I'm just assuming it's touchless. Actually, it does say touchless underneath the Simonized. So don't know what system it is, but we'll soon find out. I did purchase gas, and with a gas purchase, the wash is $10.99, so $11 plus tax for the wash, and that is, of course, for the top wash. Before I get started, I have to give a special shout out to Austin. He's a fan of the channel, and I was talking to him the other day, and he asked if I could give him a shout out. He's a fan and watches all the reviews and that. So yeah, shout out to Austin. So I'm gonna get out and show you the vehicle here. It's fairly dirty. You can see the window, and that has definitely got a lot of dirt and that on it, but I think there's a decent amount too on the outside, so we'll get out and have a look. Oh yeah, you can see all the dirt, especially the lower half of the vehicle. Some pretty good bits of mud in that. I was actually yesterday I was driving through a construction zone. It was actually a subdivision that was under new development, and it was quite muddy, so we'll see if it is able to get this off. Quite a bit on the passenger side here too. Yeah, even here, some tough to reach areas. Pretty dirty. Sorry if there's any wind noise on the camera and that. It's getting breezy. It's been fairly mild here. You can see we just where the plows and that have pushed up the snow is really the only snow that's left. Everything else is gone. So it's good to see that spring is well, it is officially spring now, but the weather hasn't quite hit yet. We got some electric charging stations here. This is the Kingsbury Health Center Medical Building. It's fairly new. This is on, I think this gas station's on Weber Street, but I'll put the exact address in the description below. So if you're interested in coming here, you can check it out. 6'11" clearance. Little hotel here, the Quality Inn. Oh, somebody just went in. Shoot, and I missed to see the system. So anyways, I'll pause it then, because we don't even get a view of them, and I'll start it back up when we're ready to go. Alright, so he's going through the dryers, so we should be good to go here. And oh, I gotta give a shout out to Crestwood Rocks. We got his favorite code box here. Now we got a Vector Rapid Wash. There we go. Looks like it's doing good coverage. Wow, just sitting there at the front putting on soap. It's not moving. There we go. Wow. Would have put a lot on the front hood there. It's a really nice smell to the soap. I will say that about the Simonize car washes. I don't know what, well, obviously I'm gonna hopefully assume it's Simonize product, but even I've always found it always has a very strong smell to it. Wow, look at it, just dump that trifoam on the front, dude. It just keeps putting it on. It's not the arms aren't moving. Oh, there we go. Holy cow. It's like heavy layer there. Good coating all around though. Says it's applying the weather guard now. Yeah, when it transitions into the next stage, it really stays there for a while before it starts to move, so you get a lot of product in one spot. Showed up clear coat now. Oh, and yeah, as I was saying, the smell off of their products, I mean, it smells really good. Has a clean smell to it, but I've never been through any other car wash that had as strong a smell as the Simonize ones. Even when I get out of the vehicle afterwards and I do a walk around the vehicle, I can smell it, like on the outside of the vehicle. Not sure if anyone else up here in Canada have noticed that as well. Whoa, going really fast coming back. Looks like the timer probably starts at 70 seconds. over this plate. And 0 on the timer. Oh, it's still going a little bit. Alright, now just move over where I was and we'll get out and have a look around. Those are the self-serve bays. They got a couple that are taller, so if you've got a tall truck or van.
Turn right on King Street East, then turn right.
Oh, my navigation telling me how to get to my next appointment. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, pardon the wind. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. There's still a film on the dirt film. You can see right here. If I run my finger across. Didn't quite get the spot there out. Left a little bit of dirt there. But see, this is where the big difference comes in between touchless and touch. Didn't even get that out there. A lot of this dirt's been on here for a while. See, didn't get it up there. I mean, for the most part, it did a decent job. But I question, you know, when you've got dirt that's on there pretty good, you know, can any touchless system, there we go, just had to get my seatbelt on. Can any touchless system really do a perfect job getting everything off and that, or do you have to go to a soft cloth system? But all things considered, I'm not too disappointed with the out. But yeah, see, even you can still see on the window, see how it looks still dirty there? Yeah, that's where, even there you can see the divide where the dirt and that. So yeah, it can only do so much, I guess. But all in all, I mean, it seemed to, all the coverage was excellent on the pre-soak and the tri-foam, and that had really heavy coverage. The high pressure rinse had, you know, it had really good pressure to it. You know, for the price, I mean, it was good. So the dryers did a pretty good job and were very strong. I can always tell too when it's on the passenger side windshield wiper blade, it was bouncing up and down a bit because of the power of the dryers and that. So yeah, I mean, it's a good car wash. It's just if your car is really dirty, like what mine was, you got to question whether or not it'd do that good of a job. Especially like here, this gentleman beside me, he's got a black vehicle, and believe me, I own a black vehicle now, and I've had many in the past. But you can see how dirty his vehicle is. Like if he went through that, I question what type of job, because I got a white vehicle, and dirt doesn't show as much as on a black. So, but anyways, hope you enjoyed that one. I liked it, and would recommend it for someone that doesn't have too dirty of a vehicle. And yeah, that's it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Appreciate the support. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.